3 best neighborhoods when building a home in Hoover, Alabama. My number one favorite neighborhood right now is Bradbury Crest. If you have not heard of Bradbury Crest, let me tell you a little bit about it. It is one of the signature home communities in Hoover, and it's actually down Stadium Trace Parkway through the Black Ridge Gates. So it is a gated community. The variety of floor plans is immense. So whatever your family needs, if you're a family that doesn't need a lot of space, perhaps a 3-bedroom, 2-bath floor plan would work best for you. But if you're a family that likes lots of spread out room and needs extra bedrooms, there's a 5-bedroom plan with multiple bathrooms. But one of the things I really love about the Bradbury floor plans is how unique some of the floor plans are, and there is so much entertainment space. And if you're like me, most of us kind of enjoy having our family around now. And while you have the beautiful bedroom retreats and the lovely master bedrooms and the bathrooms that are to die for, the big place where everyone tends to hang out, whether you're entertaining guests or family, is all around the kitchen. So the kitchens tend to be open to the dining room, tend to be open to the living space, and then it always spills out onto beautiful outdoor living space. So if you're in the market for a new home, Bradbury Crest is one you'll want to consider. And there can be some new lots coming soon that have basements, but you better hurry because it's hard to find a basement lot nowadays. Another neighborhood that's great for new construction in Hoover, Alabama is the Foothills. You may not have heard of the Foothills. It too is down Stadium Trace Parkway, past the Hoover Met, behind the Black Ridge Gates. There's so many things behind the Black Ridge privacy gates. The Foothills have some really cool, unique floor plans too. My favorite one, and it seems to be a favorite of so many home buyers, is a plan that has 4 bedrooms all on the main level. That is so hard to find. One of the bedrooms is kind of a private guest suite, and it's situated away from the rest of the bedrooms, has its own ensuite bathroom. Of course, the master bedroom is exquisite with the soaking tub, the huge walk-in closet. And then this particular floor plan has 2 bedrooms that share a Jack and Jill bath. And then what I love about this floor plan, you have the option of either having a downstairs office or you can have an upstairs finished bonus room. So it's nice to be able to pick and choose what's important for you and your lifestyle. But another one of my favorite things is this walk-through, pass-through kitchenette bar thing that has glass cup cabinets on the top, additional counter space. It's just so cool. So the Foothills is certainly a neighborhood you're going to want to take a look at. They too have some basement lots that are going to be available soon. And I love that the lots and the Foothills are a little bit bigger. So if you prefer a little more spread out room for your new construction home, then the Foothills would be one you would certainly want to take a look at. And last but not least is Sage Park, another new construction community. Now Sage Park is being built in Everlee. So within Everlee, there are any number of little sub-communities, and Sage Park is one of those. One of my things I really like about Sage Park that you need to be aware of is the lots all back up to privacy. So the vast majority of the lots have woods in the back. There are few in the middle, but the vast majority are almost around a circle. So you have woods and trails and all of that in your backyard. Sage Park has quite the variety of home plans as well. 3-bedroom, 2-bath, fancy 5 bedrooms, homes with soaring staircases and catwalks and elevated ceilings. There's so many really unique design features in the homes at Sage Park that you'll want to check out. And one of the really cool things that's going to be ready before we know it at Sage Park is the amenity center. It is called The Square. And Signature Homes has totally outdone themselves with this new amenity center. There's a 0 entry pool. There's a golf simulator. There are pickleball courts. There's a cool playground with a slide that's built into the hill. Those are so cool. There's a pet washing station. What am I forgetting? Pool tables, game rooms, meeting areas. I've heard a rumor that there might be a coffee bar or maybe a wine bar. Hey, I'm up for either one. But my point is that Signature Homes has thought of everything and anything that homeowners would want if they're building a home in Sage Park. So check out Sage Park as well. And for all of these neighborhoods, I'm happy to chat with you, share what I know, lead you through the home buying process. Whatever your needs, give me a call. I would love to help set you up for success so that in 2025, you have a new home.